Now we had a toy slingshot in which you would use a fork of a tree. It would be like you look for a fork on a tree and stem to hold that fork, right? So it is a tree. There's a node, and there are stems growing out of that node. The base node being connected to the root of the tree more directly than the other two stems. So these are three pieces of stems that are roughly 120 degree. Well, not that much. If you draw a perpendicular through the base stem that goes to the root, the other two stems would be like 20 degrees on either side on the protractor. So now you will have a fork and a stem, and on that V or something like that, the fork, you attach bicycle tubing that is that are not good anymore, rubber, stripped, and to the end of that stripped rubber, you attach, say, a little kind of basket kind of thing, small one, a flap. Then you will place a rock in that flap, and you will hold it with your fingers and pull it back, and you will let it fly, and you will hit the flying parrot on its head. Because I've seen that happen. The parrot falls to the ground. You go and you soak the parrot's head. The parrot wakes up. Then take the parrot to market. I've seen that happen in my grandma's yard. Okay, and maybe I helped making that slingshot.